Hello everyone, my name is Richard from Zappos.com and this is Theory. It is from Supra. These high tops have a really cool, almost futuristic design to them. How awesome is that? You have a full grain leather upper here with a quilt-stitched ballistic nylon underlay, as you can see here on the sides and back here. Beneath that, really gives you a cool look, plenty of durability as well. Got your laces there in the front with a hook and loop strap at the bottom, really great. Really thick midsole, as you can see, plenty of shock absorption out of that, amazing impact protection without sacrificing flexibility. Still has an awesome flex to it to keep your feet moving, and then you're gonna have that durable rubber outsole on bottom. I have a theory for you. It's that these are a fantastic pair of shoes that you don't want to miss out on. So go ahead and give this theory a try. It's from Supra.